Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 2 of programming in JavaScript choosing the text editor. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial and for the videos that come after this, we will be choosing Sublime Text. So now if we go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for Sublime Text, go to the computer science folder. I see Sublime Text, click on this, and now you may be wondering, why is he choosing Sublime Text? We have other text editors that we could be using, such as Notepad, TextEdit, but Sublime Text is the best. And why is that? Well, minimize Sublime Text for the moment, go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, search for Sublime Text, go to sublimetext.com. You can purchase the software for $80, £60. So you have the license key, and then you are able to use the software itself to create websites, applications. So some features the users love: go to anything, go to definition, multiple selections, command palette, powerful API, and package ecosystem. You can customize anything, split editing, instant project switch, performance, and it's cross-platform. So that's the reason to choose Sublime Text. Before we run the first JavaScript, JavaScript can change HTML content, attribute values, CSS, hide HTML elements, can show elements, and some questions the users may be asking. How do I get JavaScript? Where do I download it from? Is it free? Well, the answer is you don't need to get or download JavaScript. It's already running within your browser or on your computer, tablet, on your smartphone. It's free to use for all developers. So if we quit Sublime Text, that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.